Hey guys, it's Amy with mycouponingbuddy.com. The deals at Publix just keep rolling in. I'm going to go over the best deals for next week. I can't post these deals fast enough. Publix is starting to be on fire again. Yay! Alright. I'm going to post the deals for next week, and then I got to get back to this week because there are a lot of great deals that just are awesome this week. They are on the front page of mycouponingbuddy.com, and I will post the link below, so check them out. Alright, next week, if you want to view the full ad, click right there on that green link. It'll take you to the full ad next week. You can peruse through it at your leisure and look for what other deals you might want to do. If you haven't signed up for Fetch, sign up for Fetch. There's a link there in the bright blue. If you haven't signed up for Ibotta, sign up for Ibotta. You're missing out on a lot of money. All right. Sargento cheese, BOGO. There's a $1 off 2 coupon found in your Smart Source 131. You buy 2, use 1, pay $1.75. All right, I hate posting Ibotta deals before the deal begins, but this deal is a great deal. So I posted it with the Ibotta rebate. I hope, we'll keep our fingers crossed, that the Ibotta rebate remains. There's no expiration date on it. It doesn't look like it's going anywhere, but there have been multiple weeks and multiple rebates where it doesn't look like the rebate's going anywhere, and then Ibotta snatches it down. So I just want to preface that with saying, that it can happen. There's a $1 off 1 coupon for Del Monte vegetables in your 1-3 Smart Source. They're on sale BOGO next week at $4.39. If you buy 2, use 2 of the $1 off 1 coupon, you pay $1.20, then submit to Ibotta, and you can submit to Ibotta up to 5 times. So I would buy 4 if you're in half BOGO. True BOGO. And it comes out to $1.20. Submit to Ibotta for $1 cash back, and it comes out to 20 cents per box after the Ibotta rebate. If you're in half BOGO and you want to do it 5 times, you can do it 5 times. It comes out to the same amount after Ibotta, if the Ibotta rebate remains. North Sides on sale BOGO next week. If you click the link there and sign up, there is a coupon which is emailed to your spam folder. I'm just going to lay it out there for y'all. It goes to spam, so check your spam folder in your email. Buy 2 at $1.49. Use 1 of the $1 off 2 coupon. Pay 25 cents each. You also get bonus points for this on Fetch. So if you haven't signed up for Fetch, sign up for Fetch. Submit this to Fetch, and you'll get some bonus points. If you sign up for Fetch using my code there in the red link, you also get like 3,000 bonus points. Purdue chicken BOGO next week. These chicken nuggets that my children eat like hotcakes, or eat like chicken nuggets. Like children eat chicken nuggets. One of my children only ate chicken nuggets for like a year. It was kind of scary. All right. So they are BOGO $4.39. If you are in a true BOGO area, the best way to do the deal is buy 6, use 2 of the $1.50 off 3 coupons, and pay $1.70 a piece. However, as much as my 2 children like chicken nuggets, and one of my children is gone, so it's really only one of my one teenager, and they can eat a lot, but I don't know if he could eat 6 things of chicken nuggets before they expire. I don't know if you can freeze these either. Anyway, if you would prefer, you can buy 4 and use 1 of the $1.50 off 3 coupon, and it's not that big of a difference in price. So if you would like to do that in a true BOGO area, I think it comes out to like $190. It's not that huge of a difference. All right. If you're in half BOGO, you can buy 3 and use one of the $150 off 3 coupon and pay the same price, $170 a piece. Beneful dog food is on sale for $5. There is a $3 off coupon in your RMN 124. You're going to buy one at $5. Use one of the $3 off coupon and pay just $2 for the bag. All right, this is a great deal on Tide liquid or pods. They are on sale. The 69 or 92 ounce or the 21, 32 or 42 count are on sale for $12.49. In your current extra savings flyer that you find at the front of the store, there is a $3 off coupon. It's a Publix coupon. And you can stack that coupon with either the $3 off coupon found in your Procter & Gamble, your P&G insert that came out on 131, or with the printable in the blue link right there. So you can stack it with either one of those coupons, making it $6.49. And then bonus, you get to submit to a stocking spree. And you earn a $10 gift card for every $50 you spend with stocking spree. You can do this on either the pods or the liquid. There is a different manufacturer coupon for the pods or the liquid. So I have separate breakdowns. And both are redeemable through stocking spree. Washing machine cleaner is on sale BOGO again. I kind of feel like this is a scam that people have made up. Like, why do you have to wash your washing machine? I don't get this. Nonetheless, my washing machine alerts me once a month or whatever. I don't know how many washes it has to go through to alert me. But it alerts me that I need to wash my washing machine. And it doesn't stop alerting me until I run the cycle and put this fancy stuff in it. Mine says that I should use a fresh, but I used Tide because I got it when it was super cheap last time. And I still have a box left. I think I only got 2. I only have to do it every so often. So I'm going to stock up again just to make sure I got enough. So the annoying little light will go off. All right. So you buy 2 at $6.79. There's a $2 off printable in the link there. You pay a $1.40 each. And then now stocking spree just says Tide. So I'm assuming all Tide is included. That's how it worked last year. When a product didn't have specific sizes or items, all of the product was included. So I would assume you could submit this to stocking spree as well to go towards your $50 rebate or your $10 rebate when you spend $50. All right, Tone body wash is on sale BOGO at $3.99. There's a $1 off coupon in your RMN 27, making them $1.50 a piece. The coupon is limit 1, so if you, this breakdown is for true BOGO areas because the coupon is limit 1. So you would buy 2 at $3.99, use one of the $1 off 1 coupon found in your RMN 27 and pay $1.50. The coupon terms say that you may only use 1 coupon per transaction. So that's why we're only using 1 in true BOGO areas. Half BOGO areas can buy 1. That's where you don't have to buy 2 to get the BOGO price. It's basically all areas except for Florida. So half BOGO areas can buy 1 at $2. Use $1 off coupon found in RMN 27 and pay $1. Dial is also on sale BOGO, and the same coupon is for Dial as well, and the same limitations apply. So you can buy, Dial is more expensive. It's $4.59. So you would buy one at $2.30, use one of the $1 off one coupon, and pay $1.30. However, Dial does qualify for the Hinkle rebate that is out. I submitted my parcel to this rebate last night, and I'm waiting for it to go through to see how it plays out. But there is a $10 Visa gift card rebate when you spend $30 in Hinkle brands, which Purcell, which is on sale this week, is part of that. And then Dial is on sale next week, which is part of that. And the rebate accrues, so you don't have to spend it all in one transaction. You can do multiple transactions until you build up to the 30. All right. So that's Dial body wash. Now we're going to do Dial 3-packs. Now be careful. Dial 2-packs and Dial 3-packs are on sale BOGO. But the coupon, the $1 off 2 coupon in your RMN 27 only works on the 3-packs. It's only valid on 3-packs, which, I mean, you want the 3-pack anyway. You don't want to waste the deal on a 2-pack when you could get one more bar of soap. So they come out to 62 cents each. 62 cents each after coupon, and then submit to the rebate. Right guard is included in the Hinkle rebate. It is on sale BOGO next week. Again, it has a limit of 1. All Hinkle coupons, Hinkle is the brand that these all fall under, have a limit 1. Purcell, Right Guard, Dial, they always have limit 1. Soft Scrub, really stinky. I was hoping for a digital or a printable coupon, but my wish has not been granted. So I'll cross our fingers and say a prayer to the couponing gods that tonight or sometime before the sale, something comes out to help us in true BOGO areas. All right. So half BOGO buys one at $1.95. Use the $1.50 off one coupon found in your RMN 27. Pay 45 cents a piece. Submit to, or pay 45 cents because you're only buying one. Submit to the rebate. True BOGO areas, buy 2 at $3.89. Use one of the $1.50 off coupon found in your RMN 27 and pay $1.20 each, which is still a great deal. All right, so that's it for next week. I'm posting some deals below, like that Sun-Maid one that's coming up here. Somebody told me that Flonase is on sale $14.99. I took that picture yesterday, $16.99. Somebody told me today it is $14.99 at their store for the 60 count, so that would make that $6.99. I'm going to confirm that at my store and update if true, or maybe I'll have one of my admins if they go to Publix. All right. So that is it for the deals next week. If you want to see the ad, those deals that I just touched on below are going on now, by the way. I'm going to put the link below to those deals. Actually, you could just click on them I'm going to put the link to the best deals for next week below, and you can just click on them down at the bottom of the post if you're interested in doing them. All right. So if you are new, make sure that you subscribe to my channel so you get notified when I post a new video. I usually post the upcoming deals on Sunday. I post them to my website on Friday nights. So if you want to just go straight to mycouponingbuddy.com to find them, you can on Friday nights. I normally don't get around to making the video until Sunday because I'm catching up on the deals from this week that I found on Thursday. So a lot going on the weekend. So I normally don't get to the video YouTube part of it until Sunday. Sometimes Saturday, if I'm lucky. But if you want to see them on Friday, you can just directly go to my website, mycouponingbuddy.com. They are posted on Friday night without fail. All right. That is it for the deals next week. Please make sure you like this video. so the people at YouTube know that I'm doing a fine job. Happy couponing, guys. Happy Valentine's Day, too.